We're going to talk about fans today, and what I mean by that is the fans that are going inside Project Rad-Xtreme. As you know, in the Patience build that I'm running right now, I am running Prometech Vortex fans, and they're actually not a bad fan. They're okay. They're not as quiet though as I would like them to be, which leads me to the problem, and the solution to that is I decided to use Silverstone air penetrators, the quiet editions, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at a comparison between my Prometech Vortex and the Silverstone Silverstone air penetrators, and see exactly who's the quietest. I think you already know, but we're gonna go ahead and look at it anyways, and you'll pretty much understand by the end of the video why I chose to go ahead and fill the K-Slabs project with Silverstone air penetrators. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video, and I can talk to you a little bit about the specs of the fans as well. The Silverstone air penetrators SST-AP122 model fan is what's going to be filling the K-Slabs project of Project Rad-Xtreme. The reason I chose this fan is because it is way more quiet and pushing about the same amount of air as the Prometech Vortex fans. Alright, so as you guys have seen the results between the two fans, the Silverstone airflow, I keep saying airflow. The Silverstone air penetrator is obviously quieter. It's going to be a great fan. It's going to perform well. I've seen the results from other people's builds, and I can't wait to put this into the project. So hopefully you guys stay tuned as we keep making progress with this build. So hopefully, I think next time I'll have a little bit more to show you guys. So I will see you then. Have a good one.